Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe to the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to more videos. Happy Diwali to all from Chitra. Today we are talking about features which are must, necessary by every manufacturer for every car, for our safety, for our benefit, and as well as for our Bharat driving conditions, traffic conditions. Number one is ventilated seats. Because of a temperature very high in our Bharat, the top models or high-end cars are only having ventilated seats. From the back and the down, you get air, the AC coming in, which is definitely necessary feature, which should be incorporated by every manufacturer in every seat. We have front two seats and back also. If ventilated seats can be a standard feature in our country, it would be a good feature and useful feature for every driver, every passenger in the car. The next feature would be is dash cam. Because of our traffic and congestion and driving, we are not organized. Someone will come from left, someone will come from right, dash your car from the back, etc. If you have a dash cam in the front and back by the manufacturer itself, would be a good feature for our customers who are driving cars, for their safety and for people inside safety. Then the other one is the new feature which has come in high-end cars is 360-degree camera feature, which is very, very good feature, which can be incorporated for every car, small car, big car, high-end SUV, etc. Because in 360-degree camera, the blind spots are there for every car. That is also covered. And another thing is, it also gives you a voice command that this is the blind spot, there's someone else, and which is a very good feature for our safety, for our driver's safety or passenger safety in our traffic condition. Then speed limit indication in city also. In high-end cars it is there. If you are driving more than 60, it should indicate, and as well it should give you a command that you have increased the limit more than 60 in city drive. So you will not get challans, and as well as you will drive safer in traffic thing, in the traffic conditions. Then auto parking is another feature which is there in high-end cars, which would be a good feature for people who are driving cars, because more and more people are driving cars, more and more ladies are driving cars. So parking, auto parking would be a good feature for every car to be incorporated. Then as government norm is made that 6 airbags are mandatory, like this features, if we can make mandatory for our safety of our people. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.